Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams battling it out for the title of the best in the market. On the left, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. Buckle up, folks, because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important factor, video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. It's like having a mini movie camera in your car. Reviewers praise the compact size of the Mini 2 dash camera, its non-obtrusive design and usefulness in case of an incident. Now let's talk about the extra bells and whistles. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has voice control, which means you can save videos, start-stop audio recording, and even take still pictures, all with a simple command. It's like having a personal assistant in your car. Reviewers mention the durability, ease of use, and advanced features of the Garmin Dash Cam. Next up, let's discuss parking mode. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has a parking guard feature that monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if it detects an incident. Peace of mind, even when you're away from your car. Reviewers highlight the decent image quality, easy interface, and reliable connection of the Garmin Dash Cam. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is priced at $129. Reviewers appreciate the lack of a screen for a lower profile design, but note minor drawbacks such as the lack of an included SD card and the overly bright LED at night. Overall, reviewers recommend the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 for its compact size, non-obtrusive design, usefulness in case of an incident, durability, ease of features. They mention minor drawbacks such as the bright LED at night and the lack of an included SD card. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam in various categories. Both cameras had their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. Stay smart, everyone.